The heart divides to two main components, chambers and vessels. The vessels direct the blood towards and away of the heart's chambers, and the chambers accumulate the blood and pump it forward. 1. 4 chambers. These muscular compartments contract to pump blood. 2. Vessels. These tubes conduct and direct the flow of blood toward and away from the heart. The center of the heart contains a thick muscular wall called the septum, which divides the heart into two halves. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the upper body and from the lower body. Then it sends the blood to the right and left lungs to become oxygenated. The left side of the heart receives oxygenated blood from the left and right lungs. It sends the blood to the upper body and to the lower body. Deoxygenated blood from the upper body enters the heart through the superior vena cava and from the lower body through the inferior vena cava. The deoxygenated blood is collected in the right atrium, which, when full, will pump the blood through the right atrioventricular or AV valve to the right ventricle. When the right ventricle fills with deoxygenated blood, it will pump it through the right semilunar valve, which leads to the pulmonary trunk. The pulmonary trunk directs the blood to the left and right pulmonary arteries, which will lead the blood up to the lungs to get oxygenated. After picking up oxygen at the lungs, the oxygenated blood will return to the heart through the left and right pulmonary veins, which will deposit the blood into the left atrium. When the left atrium is full of oxygenated blood, it pumps it through the left atrioventricular valve to the left ventricle. When the pressure in the left ventricle is high with oxygenated blood, it pumps the blood up through the left semilunar valve up to the aorta. The aorta takes oxygenated blood to arteries of the head and arms, and then curves downwards to form the descending aorta, which takes the blood to the lower body.